What's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy JD coming at you with another review, and today we got, for me, the most anticipated release of the summer, and that is the Travis Scott Air Force Ones in this sail colorway. So this sneaker didn't even release here in Europe. It was a US exclusive colorway, and that sucked for me, but I was more than willing to pay resale for this. I did mention this in another video. Last year, the white colorway of this sneaker was, for me, the biggest L that I took last year. I really wanted this sneaker, but I wasn't able to cop it. And I wanted it so bad that I was even considering paying up to $600 US for this, buying it off of resale. But luckily I didn't. Nike came out with the restock. I'm gonna call this a restock. I mean, the colorway is almost identical to that one. And luckily I only ended up paying $275 for this, US dollars, off of StockX. And for me, considering how badly I wanted this sneaker, $275, I was more than willing to pay that. So why did I want this sneaker so bad? It really had not much to do with the sneaker itself and a lot more to do with Travis Scott. Now, I am an absolutely huge Travis Scott fan. I've been a fan of his basically since his first mixtape in 2013, Owl Pharaoh, and also the follow-up mixtape, Days Before Rodeo, which I still listen to quite often today. And he's just been basically in my top 3 favorite rappers in hip-hop over the last 5 years. And it's been crazy to just watch him grow. I remember going to a lot of his shows in really small venues, not a lot of people there. And to see how big he's gotten now, I mean, basically now he's a household name in hip hop. His new album, which was his 3rd album, Astroworld, actually was the #1 selling hip hop album of 2018, which is just crazy. And when I saw these sneakers last year, I was just, wow, I was like, man, Travis Scott got a Nike collab. This is crazy. I just had to get these sneakers. Obviously wasn't able to, they were limited, but they came out again this year and I knew it, that I don't care what I was gonna pay for it. $275 to me, a bargain. I apologize for the lighting here, guys. It's a lot of artificial lighting today. I am filming this in the evening, which I don't normally do, so sorry for that. So let's talk about the sneakers themselves. So these sneakers don't look anything like a regular Air Force One. The entire upper of this sneaker is covered in this canvas material. And unfortunately for me, that is my least favorite part about this sneaker, and that is because these are just dirt magnets. So if you wear this outside and accidentally spill some coffee on it, if someone were to step on these by accident, it's over. You're not gonna be able to clean these. These are basically a wrap. So you really need to be careful when walking around in these and make sure you don't step in a puddle, make sure you don't drop any ketchup on this, because you won't be able to clean it. So you gotta wear these for special occasions. It's a very like blingy type of shoe too, so it calls for a special occasion. And it goes without saying, the best part about this sneaker is definitely the customizable swooshes that it comes with. So after I got this sneaker and after I spent about 20 minutes deciding which one looks best. Okay, so these come with the chrome swooshes by default. That looks pretty dope. Should I just leave it like that? Nah, let me switch it up. Let me try something a little different. Okay, so now we got the flame, La Flame, like Travis, man. These shoes right now are literally on fire. But you know what? I might like, let's switch to the 3rd one. Okay, we got the iridescent. Okay, that looks kind of girly, not gonna lie. I'm not so sure about this one, but why not? What else can we try right now? Okay, let's try the double swoosh action. So, oh, how does it look with 2? Damn, man. Okay, that looks dope. That looks dope. But why don't we go for the 3? Let's do all 3 right now. Let's see what that look like. Okay, man, hurry up. You slow as hell, man. Okay, so we got the chrome, we got the flame, and we got the iridescent joint. Damn. Okay. Yeah, I decided that the chrome swooshes definitely look best. So on top of the laces, you do have these, I don't know what you call these, I guess patches. You do have these patches on top of the laces. On the right pair, you do have the Cactus Jack logo. And by the way, the Jack comes from Travis Scott's real name, which is Jocks Webster. Also at the bottom of these laces, you do have these plastic grills here that are meant to imitate the grills in Travis's mouth. I thought that's pretty dope. The back of the sneaker is pretty cool too. It does have the Nike Air logo upside down. Another really dope feature about this shoe is how if you shine a light on it, it does seem to have 3M detailing all over it, and it's in this rainbow color. I think that looks insane. I love that. Finally, sizing wise, I usually would go half a size down with Air Force Ones, but not with these. These fit kind of tight. Maybe it's because it does seem like the canvas material is quite thick, so I would stick with your true size. So there you go guys, the Nike Travis Scott collab, the Air Force Ones. Thank you for watching this video. If you are a Travis Scott fan as well, comment down below what the song was in the beginning of this video as well as in the on-feet portion of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Shout out to all my subscribers. You guys are just awesome. And subscribe and like this video if you want to see more content. I'm very close to 1,000 subscribers and I really want to reach that goal. So subscribe, and on feet coming right now. Peace.
I'm riding up uptown. I'm a motherfucking monster. One hand on the wheel, one hand on my dick. I'm a motherfucking monster. You riding up uptown.